Hello, this is LiquidOcelot, and guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to automatically post your YouTube videos to Twitter using Microsoft Flow. So the website that I'm going to be using is called flow.microsoft.com, and it's also an automation software automation website. So let's start, my friends. I am on the main page over here, and home page, and here I'm going to write YouTube and click search. Now I have this option right here in front of me called shared YouTube video on Twitter. I'll click it. Now once you see this page over here, the flow will connect to YouTube and then Twitter. You have to link your YouTube account with these three dots. It will take a long time for it to process, mainly like 12 hours, because I had first problems authenticating this connection and for YouTube, and then you are going to connect your authenticate your Twitter account to this as well in front of Twitter, and then click continue. Now all you have to do, this one you have to leave as it is, and post a tweet. You have this option selected automatically for you. Check out this new video I uploaded and video list. You can also add other stuff like summary of the channel title and other description as well. That is all up to you, and click save. So the flow will be created, and once you upload your new YouTube video, it will automatically be posted on your Twitter using Microsoft Flow. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I'll be signing off. Take care.